In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make video loop in Canva. If you want your video to play continuously inside your Canva design, the good news is that Canva makes this very simple once you know where to look. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact process clearly so you can turn on looping in just a few clicks. To get started, open your Canva design. Make sure you're inside the project where your video has already been added, because the loop setting needs to be applied directly to the video element you want to repeat. If you have multiple items on the canvas, don't worry, we'll make sure you select the correct one before changing anything. Next, click on the video you want to loop. This part is important, because Canva only shows video-specific settings when the video itself is selected. Once you click on it, you should see that the editing options update so you can work with that particular media element. Now, look up at the top toolbar and find the edit option. Go ahead and select it. This opens the video editing controls and gives you access to more detailed settings beyond the basic resize and positioning tools. If you don't immediately see the setting we need, that's completely normal because it's not always visible right away. After that, move over to the left side panel. In this panel, scroll down until you find the playback section. This is where Canva places controls related to how your video behaves during playback. Inside that section, you'll see an option labeled Play on Repeat. To the right of that option, there will be a toggle switch. Click that toggle to enable it. Once it's turned on, your video will loop, meaning it will automatically start again after it finishes playing. This is especially useful for background clips, animated elements, product displays, or any design where you want smooth, continuous motion without manually replaying the video. And that's it. Your video is now set to loop in Canva. As a quick tip, after enabling the repeat option, it's a good idea to preview your design so you can confirm the playback looks the way you want. That way you can make sure the loop feels natural within the rest of your project. If needed, you can always go back to the same playback section and switch the option off again. That's the full process for making a video loop in Canva. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.